Hello. In this video, we are going to see how to set the parental control in Windows 10. By default, Windows is providing this parental control. It has plenty of features. It's freely available for everyone to use it. The main features of the parental controls are it's mainly controls the scheduling of the screen time. Basically, all the devices or apps or games, how much time your child has to spend, it can be controlled. The other feature, or it can set the control content filtering. That means any age restriction or any other inappropriate browsing of the sites we can restrict. And you can also monitor the activity report. Every week you can find it out what are the applications or websites your child was visiting. And also you can track the spending powers. For example, if you have any Xbox and or apps, how much how much your son spent or daughter spent for that one, so that can be monitored. Another important feature is you can track your child using some maps. So these are some of the features available for parental controlling point of view, and this can be achieved in 5 steps. First one is you need to create a family group, and the second step is create the account for your child, and third step is add your child account into the family account, and the fourth one is you need to do the scheduling on and other settings, what you want to restrict your child to access or control. And the fifth one is your child need to log in into the particular device so that all the settings can be managed. Make sure that it can be controlled for all Windows based devices, Xbox devices, and Android based devices. Step 1. First, you need to have a valid Microsoft account. In order to create a Microsoft account, you need to visit first family.microsoft account. So here, if you already have a Microsoft account, you can just sign in. If you don't have the one, you can just create one. It is very simple, and it can be created as any of your preference. For example, someone you want to write it as a test user at outlook.com. Okay, so if it is valid, then you can create it. Okay, so once you created your own account, what you need to do is you need to come back to Windows and go to settings, go to accounts, go to family and other users. So here you need to add your newly created user in this list. Okay, just need to click this add user, and just you need to log in with uh, the email ID you just created with the Microsoft account. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to do it. Since I already have my account, what I'm doing is I'm closing this and coming back to sign in and typing my email. Okay, the next step is I logged in now. The next step is create a family group. So here I need to add my child account. So if you don't have the child account, you create a one the same way. Okay, you can create a one for child. You can put child name or whatever the preference, and same way with at outlook.com. You can just create it. Since I already have a child account, I'm just going to log in with my child account. Make sure it can be a Gmail account or any other account it can be. So you can say that the particular user is a member of your family. So there will be some invitation will be sent to this particular user. Okay, you can see there is a invitation is sending to this user. It's still in the pending member. Okay, so the user can accept now. So since you created your child account, you can directly accept it. So you can just say that join now. Okay, now I created my own account and I added my child account. So now it's logged in my child account. I need to log off this one and need to log back to my original account, that is the organizer account. So just sign in a different account, and here you type your own account. Make sure this is your account, that is this is a parent account. Okay, now you can see that this is the organizer and this is the member, and in this member you have these are the features are there. And first you can do the screen time. So this screen time is you can schedule for both the devices like Xbox or Windows 10, or you can just set for separately for Windows 10 and Xbox. Okay, so by default it is there from morning 7:30 to night 10 o'clock, I believe. Yeah, so this, yeah, morning 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So this you can change it, and your child can work only on those time from for the particular day. So yeah, you can completely customize whatever you want it, and this you can do for Xbox and 10 both. And if you want to prefer, you can just do it separately. Okay, so when your child is logging beyond this time, then you can see this message, and from that you can control it. Okay, so this is the whole steps you need to follow for the parental control point of view. For all other features, I will give separate videos. Thank you.